The warm weekend has many people switching on that air conditioning for the first time, but some are wondering this afternoon, is that really a good idea? Our Dr. Frank McGeorge joins us to address concerns about AC and the coronavirus.
Several viewers have asked if it's safe to turn on their home air conditioners or to open their windows. Both are safe. There is no concern about the virus coming into your house that way. But what about air conditioning units in public places like restaurants? Well, that's actually still being studied. There is one published report out of China where one diner is believed to have infected people at 2 other tables. Take a look. The infected diner is marked A1. The other red circles represent people who also got sick. Researchers say they believe the restaurant air conditioning unit may have spread the virus farther than it would have normally traveled, and that poor ventilation in the space also played a role. Now, this needs to be studied more, but it's a good example of why increasing the space between tables and workspaces is really important, and limiting the number of people in a room is helpful too. Now, the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers has created a task force to look at the issue of air conditioners. For now, the organization is recommending business owners make sure air conditioning systems are functioning properly, that they improve ventilation by bringing more outside air in, they upgrade air filters, and follow the CDC recommendations for social distancing and good hygiene. Back to you.